Emma was a shy girl who loved writing in her diary. She would write about her dreams, her daily adventures, and even her fears. One day, while cleaning her room, Emma found an old, dusty book hidden behind her bookshelf. It was titled The Grammar Guide to Success. Intrigued, she opened the book and discovered that it was no ordinary grammar guide. It was magical. Each page contained not just rules, but also the power to transform her words into reality. Emma decided to test it out. She wrote in her diary, "I am confident." The next day at school, she volunteered to give a presentation in front of her class, something she had never done before. Her words came out smoothly, and for the first time she felt the power of confidence. The magic of the grammar book had begun to work. As Emma continued to use the book, she learned more about different grammar rules. The power of positive affirmations using the present simple tense, describing future dreams with will and going to, and narrating past experiences with the past perfect tense. She would write sentences like, "I will achieve my goals," and "I have learned so much." Every time she wrote something in correct grammar, it seemed to come true. Emma's life started changing in wonderful ways. One day, Emma's best friend, Mia, noticed the change in her. Emma shared the secret of the magical grammar book, and together they started writing down their dreams, using perfect grammar to guide their intentions. They wrote sentences like, "We are going to travel the world, and we will always support each other." The more they wrote, the more they believed in the power of their words, and soon their lives were filled with new experiences and opportunities. Emma realized that the true magic wasn't just in the book but in her own words and actions. She learned that using grammar correctly not only helped her in writing but also in expressing herself clearly and confidently in life. She began helping her classmates with their grammar, sharing tips and stories, and soon became known as the grammar guru. Emma's journey showed her that grammar isn't just about rules. It's about finding your voice and making your dreams come true. Grammar focus. Present simple tense. Used for statements of fact and affirmations like, "I am confident." Future tense. Both will and going to are used to describe future intentions and dreams. Past perfect tense. Describing completed actions in the past with sentences like, "I have learned so much." Positive affirmations. Emphasizing the impact of using correct grammar to make affirmations more powerful.